Hi and welcome to this live Forex strength and weakness table video. My name is John. I'll be taking you through the charts this Thursday the 13th of October. So you can see in front of us we have the live Forex strength and weakness tables. We have two types of tables in front of you. You have the trend traders table and the day traders table. These are the same studies, just highlighting different time frames. So our trend traders is the higher time frame and the day traders is our lower time frame. You can see that some of the currencies here are highlighted in green. That means there is a confluence between the two trading time frames. As you can see, what the live Forex strength and weakness tables are showing us is that the dollar is S1 on both tables and that the Australian dollar is W1 on both tables. So dollar strongest, Aussie the weakest. Now, in these videos, we're going to focus on the highlighted currencies. So dollar and Aussie are the ones to watch today. Now, just some observations. We can see that actually Kiwi, which featured as W2 here on the trend traders yesterday. So if I just zoom down, you can see that yesterday's information on the 30-day rolling data, that Kiwi was W2 on the trend traders and W3. So we had the confluence between the two trading timeframes. That fell away at the 5 p.m. day traders chart. Now if I just zoom up here as well, you can see that Kiwi has now actually appeared as S2 on the day traders and remains W2 on the trend traders. That's highlighting to us that there is no confluence between the two trading timeframes and that we should ignore the New Zealand dollar now. You can also see here that Euro is S3 on the trend traders but W3 on the day traders, again showing us that there is no confluence between the two trading timeframes and that we should ignore the euro. Before we jump into the charts, let's go have a quick look at today's economic calendar. We can see that at 1:30 p.m. today we have US CPI data, and a little bit later in the day we have some crude oil inventories. Okay, so big data coming out today from the US, and if you are interested in more in-depth fundamental analysis, if you head over to the services tab, down to calendar and economic forecast and scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll see this banner here. If you click on this banner, it will take you to New Squawk for a 7-day free trial where you'll get in-depth fundamental analysis. Going back to the live Forex strength and weakness tables then, the only chart to focus for us today is Aussie US dollar, so let's jump straight into it. So here we are, Aussie US dollar. You can see it, we are on the 8-hour time frame. You can see that quite clearly. If you have a look at chart partner here in the corner, you can see that we've clearly labelled, or it's very visible that we are on the Australian US dollar and that we are on the 8-hour chart. What's quite cool about chart partner as well, it shows us our open, current high, current low, and our current spread. What also shows us is our changes. Okay, so if you come and highlight here, you can see that it says today's change, the weekly change and the monthly change. So you can see how the market has been affected on the daily, weekly and monthly charts. So jumping into Aussie US dollar then, what are we looking at? Well, we're looking at this consolidation down through here. We spoke about this in yesterday's video, and if we look back we can see that price has just remained within this range. Now price is on a downward trend. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that price is in that weekly impulsive phase. It is making its way to the downside, so we should really continue to look for those short opportunities until price reaches the next level of key support, which we have marked out here as the 0.6050 handle. Going back to the 8-hour time frame though, price is struggling to kind of make any upward move at the minute, and any upward move that we have seen has been met with sellers. So we saw price try to get back to the lows at 0.6360 and sellers quickly came back into the market. Now we are in this consolidation here, so what I would expect is if price was to break through the low, that could offer a potential breakout opportunity with opportunities to trade down to that key level of support. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching this video at a later date and are interested in becoming a member and all the other services that could be available to you, please head over to charlesclifton.co.uk. Here you can see all our services that we offer, even chart partner featured, and you can also have a trial period for £1 and see if it is for you. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.